position na yung isang team. Remember the objective? The objective is to come up with the closest replicate of the model drawing. Including po yung number 1, ha? Isusulat niyo po yung number 1. If you are done, let us know kung walang pa kayo or any chant na maisip nyo. Okay, the other team, meron ng poste. Nice one.